Itu ria kieha ni riragomeire ruhonge rwa GSU guku bururi-ini thutha wa maafisa 11 gututhurwo tharikira-ini iratafanirio ni itoi iria ciraumbikite bomu ya gwithondekera barabara-ini. Maafitha acio kuma kambi ya GSU mwena wa Harhar marakuire itura-ini rioĩkaine ta Dego gatagati wa Liboi na Damajale hakuhi na muhaka wa Kenya na Somalia riria marekaga mũngũrũrio. Ngari iria iramakuite ni irathukangirio biũ ni mũtuthuko ucio wa bomu. Akiruta ndumiriri yake ya macaka kuri maafitha acio a borithi, President Uhuru Kenyatta augite ati ciiko cia utoi gutiri hindi igutuma thirikari iregerie ugitiri bururi-ini. Oho President augite ati thirikari ni kunyitanira na family cia maafitha acio, akiuga icio ni njamba irerutĩire gutigirira Kenya ina ugitiri. Mbiraru cia Kenya, maafitha a borithi a wathani wa matura na mbiraru iria cigitagira muhaka wa Kenya na Somalia ni iria kinyire itura-ini riu kuhitana na itoi iria cirambire bomu iyo. Atongoria gicigo kia Garissa ni bamenereirie tharikira iyo makiuga ugitiri muhaka-ini wa Kenya na Somalia wagirirwo kugacirithio makiria niguo gutigirira itoi citiraingira bururi-ini.
I think from 2016 up to now, things has been happening, but this was the worst accident I've ever seen. And I want to also urge the government that the security is under the national government, and the people of Liboi, according to my observation and working with the government, the people are given information in daily basis of what is taking place within our environment.
The road from Dadaab to Harhar should be made either bitumen standard or an all-weather road with a clearance of at least 50 meters on both sides of the road. This actually I can assure the government, if this happens, these incidents of IEDs and losing security personnel, government officers and civilians will actually become history if this is done.
Riri ti rita ria mbere tharikira cia bomu kwambikwo barabara-ini, kuona mweri wa gatandatu mwaka uyu maafitha 12 ni makuire mwena wa Wajir na njira o ta iyo ya ngari gututhurwo ni bomu ya gwithondekera barabara-ini. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Kĩama Kariuki.